Well, police in Fort Myers, Florida are warning residents to beware of scams. In a Facebook post, Fort Myers police told Floridians to watch out for these three specific issues that hurricane residents can fall victim to. All right, so the first are repair scams, with someone offering to work at a discount with supplies left from a previous job. The second one are from unscrupulous tree service companies who would ask would-be customers for payment up front. And then the third are water testing scams, with someone offering free water testing. The police say to always check the utility provider's ID. All right, I'm going to bring in Oscar Gomez, who joins us now, and he has just released a list of things disaster victims should focus on when filing insurance claims and yearly taxes, hiring contractors, and staying updated on disaster news. This is information we can all use, right? So, Oscar, let's walk through your tips for home and business owners. First, you recommend reviewing your insurance policy. That seems like a good step one. Tell us more about that.
Absolutely, Pamela. And that is, in a situation like this, easier said than done, right? Some people may have had a copy of their policy in their home and not have access to their home. Some people may not have access to their insurance brokers during this time. Their insurance brokers may be facing overwhelming amount of claims, phone calls. So the first step is really get a hold of your policy, review your policy so you understand how to properly claim and categorize your damages. The amount of claims that insurance companies are going to be dealing with when a Category 5 hurricane makes landfall are overwhelming. So the first step is you just really need to get a hold of that policy and review it.
Yeah, which can be overwhelming in and of itself, just figuring out, okay, what does my policy cover? Who do I reach out to get a claim number, and so forth and so on. I mean, that first step can be cumbersome. And it's also important, you mentioned, to take pictures, right, to document the damage. Tell us more about why that's so important.
Absolutely. When you make an insurance claim, immediately your situation becomes a case, right? You are going to be your biggest advocate. The photos and the videos that you take of your home or your business is going to serve as the best evidence you have for your claim. If you've never been through this process before, your insurance policy and the claim policy is a legal document and a legal process that has all kinds of exceptions, requirements, obligations. So you want to be as prepared as possible. And taking photos, taking video, that is truly, once you're in a safe place and you can do all that, that is the best thing you can do for your home or business.
All right, so tell us about this third tip, using the IRS emergency extension to file taxes.
Right, and the great thing about this is you don't need to do absolutely anything. This is automatic. The IRS has moved back the deadlines for people and businesses who are already on an extension for their 2021 taxes. It has been moved back to February of 2023. So if you were already on an extension, that extension would have been until October 15th, coming up now in a couple of weeks. That has now automatically, for victims of Hurricane Ian, people who are affected, has moved back to October or to February of 2023. So there's absolutely nothing you need to do to take advantage of that if you're in an affected area.
That's good to know. All right, so you also say be careful with contractors. Tell us a little bit more about what you mean by that.
Right, absolutely, Pamela. So you mentioned it at the top. Whenever you get into a situation like this, the population of affected homeowners, business owners are extremely vulnerable, right? They're dealing with catastrophic circumstances in some cases, and Florida already is one of the states that has a huge problem with unscrupulous contractors. So that is something that you want to keep an eye on. Anybody who's doing work on your home or business, you want to make sure they're licensed. You want to make sure everything is set out in a contract. This is already a heavily litigated area in the state of Florida, so you want to be absolutely careful before hiring any contractors for your home or business.
All right, Attorney Oscar Gomez, thank you so much. Really helpful tips there.